Welcome to Learning Point. Today in this video we are learning poem Tick Tick Tick. So this is regarding clock. So poet name is Raghu V. It is written by poem Tick 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 by Raghu V. This is about clock. So before going to know the poem, just we will see the some features of clock. So clock will be round, and in this one small thorn hand, you can tell hand or thorn. In Kannada we tell mullu kante. So ek hours showing thorn will be, or hand, small hand will be there, and one is minutes hand. So another one is second hand, it is little bigger, but now in this video only two hands regarding it is, this poem is telling. So this is about clock, and it is conversation between two hands, two thorns or ಎರಡು ಮುಳ್ಳುಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, the discussion between these two hands in the clock or thorn. First para what it is telling, ನಾನು ಕುಳ್ಳ means short. So kulla means short, nanu means me. So one thorn is telling, one hand is telling, I am short, nanu kulla. Avanu means he. Udda long. ವೃತ್ತ ಸುತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಗೆ. ವೃತ್ತ ವ ವಿ ವಿ ವು ರು, that ರು, and ತ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ, ಸುತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡಿಗೆ. ವೃತ್ತ ಸುತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡಿಗೆ. ವೃತ್ತ means circle. ವೃತ್ತ means what? This is ವೃತ್ತ means circle. Okay, circle. Sutta means around. Sutta means around. Namma, our. Nadige, walk. So mullu, ಎರಡು mullu means two thorn or two hands in the clock. What they are telling? One, nanu, I am short and he is long. Around the clock, our walk. ನಾನು ಕುಳ್ಳ, ಅವನು ಉದ್ದ, ವೃತ್ತ ಸುತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡಿಗೆ. Again I am reading. ನಾನು ಕುಳ್ಳ, ಅವನು ಉದ್ದ, ವೃತ್ತ ಸುತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡಿಗೆ. ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್. So say with me. ನಾನು ಕುಳ್ಳ, ಅವನು ಉದ್ದ, ವೃತ್ತ ಸುತ್ತ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡಿಗೆ. ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್. ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ means sound of the clock. Next para. ದಿನದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕ. ದಿನದ means days. Day. ದಿನ means day. ದಿನದ means days. ಲೆಕ್ಕ means counting. ನಮಗೆ us, for us. ಪಕ್ಕ means guarantee. ಪಕ್ಕ means guarantee or sure. We are very much sure about our counting. ದಿನದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕ. ಪಕ್ಕ means accurate. 24. This is the number 24. 24. In Kannada you can write like this, 24. ಗಂಟೆ means hour. Okay, so hour means 1 hour, like gante means 1 hour. So 24 gante, 24 hours. Chokka, 24 chokka means correct. you can tell. So ದಿನದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕ. Reading carefully. ದಿನದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕ 24 ಗಂಟೆ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಢಣ್ ಢಣ್ ಢಣ್. Again ಢಣ್ ಢಣ್ is the sound of the clock. ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಗಾಳಿ ಮಿಂಚು ಗುಡುಗೆ ಬರಲಿ, ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್. So here it is telling hagalu means day. Hagalu, day. Ratri, night. Ene barali. Ene means whatever. Ene means whatever. Irali will be there. If whatever it may be. Irali means there. Gali minchu. Gali means air. Minchu, lightning. Gudugu, thunder. Barali, comes. If whatever it comes, air, light or thunder. Gali, air. Minchu, lightning. Gudugu, thunder. Barali, comes. Tick, tick, tick means the time. Whether it is a day or night, it is whether it is air, lightning or thunder, clock will show its time as usual. Tick tick tick. Hagalu ratri ene irali. So I am reading again. Hagalu ratri ene irali, gali minchu guduge barali, tick tick tick. Next para we will see. Badava ballida. What it is telling? Badava ballida yare barali. Badava means the poor person. Ballida rich person. Yare means whoever. Yare means whoever. Whoever comes, whoever poor or rich person comes, badava ballida yare barali. Navu means we. Nudiva, telling. Nudiva means here nudiva, telling. Vande, one. Satya, truth. 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 Navu, we, nudiva, telling. Vande, only one. Satya, truth. Dhan dhan dhan. So if badava means poor person, ballida rich person, yare barali, whoever comes, poor or rich, we tell only one truth. What is that? Dhan dhan dhan. So for rich person and poor person, the time will be same. Time will not differentiate poor or rich person. Okay. Next, ನೋವು ನಲಿವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲಿ. ನೋವು pain, ನಲಿವು happy, whether it is a happy or pain, all. ಎಲ್ಲ means all. ಇರಲಿ, it will be there. So ಹಿಡಿದ ಕೈಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟರಾಣೆ. ಹಿಡಿದ means holded. So that both hands are holded together in the clock, right? Like this. Kai means kai. Kai means hand. Okay. Bittarane. Bit means we will not leave. Ane means promise. Combinedly they have made one word. Bittarane means we will not leave. Promise. Ane means promise. Okay. Bittarane means we will not leave. That is our promise. Ane. Here combinedly it is there. Ane means promise. Okay. Ane means promise. Bittu. Bidu means leave. If we leave, it is not possible means promise we will not leave our hand. Desha bhashe, here again it is telling desha bhashe bere irali kala ganane vande tane. Desha means nation, bhashe language, bere irali, bere means different, different, irali if it is will be there, nation is different if language is different, language bhasha means language, okay, different, bere bere means different, different, if it is a different place, different nation, different language. Kala means time, so time count will be same. Ganane means counting. Vande means same. Tane means is it? Is it not? Tane means is it? Is it not? Like this. Dhan dhan dhan. Desha bhashe bere irali kala ganane vande tane dhan dhan dhan. So last para. Manavu means mind. Halavu means many. Minds will be many. Preeti means love. Preeti yonde here. Preeti yonde means love is only one. Different minds, many minds will be there, but love is only one. Halavu means many. Mana means mind. Preeti means love. Vande means same. Vande means same. Okay. Kudi means together. Balu, Bali means live. Emba, like that, lesson. Patha means lesson. 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 So, manavu halavu ಪ್ರೀತಿಯೊಂದೇ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಾಳಿರೆಂಬ ಪಾಠ tick tick tick. So many minds will be there, but we have to be love will be same, so like that we have to live together. Kudi baliremba, baliremba, emba means like this message clock is giving to us. Now we will see the exercises. Udda, length. Neela, also we can tell. Rutta, gundagiruvudu, circle. Pakka, badi, side. Chokka, sundara, shuddhavada, beautiful, pure. Ballida, Srimanta, rich. Aane, here aane, aane, bhashe koduvudu, ಓ. Question answer. ಟಿಕ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಸದ್ದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ನಡೆಯುವ ನಡಿಗೆ ಯಾರದು? ಗಡಿಯಾರದ್ದು. ಗಡಿಯಾರ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್. ದಿನದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೊಕ್ಕವಾಗಿದೆ? ದಿನದ ಲೆಕ್ಕ here it is 24 ಗಂಟೆ. 24 ಗಂಟೆ ಚೊಕ್ಕ. You have to write 24 ಗಂಟೆ. 24 like 24 ಗಂಟೆ ಚೊಕ್ಕ. ಢಣ್ ಢಣ್ ಎಂಬ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ನುಡಿಯುವುದು? Here it is there. ಢಣ್ ಢಣ್ ಸತ್ಯ ಯಾವಾಗ ನುಡಿಯುವುದು? ಬಡವ ಬಲ್ಲಿದ ಯಾರೇ ಬರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಡವ ಬಲ್ಲಿದ ನೋವು ನಲುವಿ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಏನನ್ನು ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೇನ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಡಿದ ಕೈಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟರಾಣೆ. ಹಿಡಿದ ಕೈಯ ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. You have to write ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುವುದು? ಕೂಡಿ ಬಾಳಿರೆಂಬ. Which lesson it is teaching? Which lesson it is teaching us? ಯಾವ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಗಡಿಯಾರ? ಕೂಡಿ means live together. ಕೂಡಿ ಬಾಳಿರೆಂಬ ಪಾಠ. Which ಪಾಠ? Which lesson? ಕೂಡಿ ಬಾಳಿರೆಂಬ. I think this is the all about tick tick gadiyara Raghuvi. So totally this is about clock. Here homework what you have to do, this is your class starts timing, you have to point out. Here lunch break, this is break time, this is lunch time, this is school starting time. You have to show in these clocks. Okay, thank you.